welcome back to Hanski Kids channel. We're going to play and learn with Miss Yuyu. Okay, today I'm going to show you one of the traditional game from Indonesia. Jadi kali ini Miss Yuyu mau memperkenalkan salah satu permainan tradisional dari Indonesia. Ada yang tahu nggak apa itu congklak atau dakon? Yes, the name of the game is congklak or dakon. This is the games from Japanese. Jadi dari Pulau Jawa ya, Japanese Island. Tapi ada beberapa juga yang dimainkan di luar Pulau Jawa ya. Oke, sebenarnya banyak sekali permainan tradisional dari Indonesia ya. Kita pilih salah satunya ini karena anak-anak zaman sekarang sudah jarang sekali ya bermain permainan congklak, karena sekarang kebanyakan mainnya gadget terus. Nah, sekarang kita akan mencoba untuk memperkenalkannya lagi agar anak-anak lebih familiar dengan permainan tradisional dari Indonesia. Nah, permainan ini bisa kalian beli. Ini dijual di beberapa swalayan ya, nanti kalian bisa beli. Jadi ada yang dari plastik, ada juga yang dari kayu. Permainan yang pertama, kalian boleh ambil yang mana saja yang kalian mau, tapi di lubang kalian ya. So the first time you can grab the shells, any shells that you want to play, but you have to get it in your row. Oke, you got it? Nah, misalnya aku mau ngambil dari yang mana ya? Dari sini. Nah, misalnya aku ngambil dari sini ya. Oke, kita mulai. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nah, you have to put on your house ya. 4, 5, 6, 7. Nah, if it stops in your enemy row, okay, then you can grab all the shells, then continue the game. Nah, jadi kalau kalian berhenti di lubang punya lawan kalian, nah kalian boleh ambil. Nah, berhenti di sini, stop it here, and then you grab all. Oke, kalian ambil, lalu kalian lanjutkan. Then you continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Until here. Nah, yang ini jangan diisi ya. This one, you don't have to put the cells inside because this is belong to your enemy. Ya, karena ini bukan milik kalian, ini punya lawan kalian. Oke. Nah, tadi kan berhenti di sini, ya. Nah, you stop over here, right? This is your shell. This is your row. Okay, and you stop it over here. Nah, if you stop it over here on your row and look at in front of you. Nah, there are shells over here. It means you can grab all the shells and you are the winner. Get all the shells. Okay, you grab it all and you put it in your house. Okay, until there, do you understand? Jadi, kalau misalnya kalian berhenti di lubang kalian seperti ini. Nah, lalu di sini ada banyak kerang punya lawan kalian. Nah, berarti ini kalian nembak ya. Nembak itu artinya kalian boleh ambil kerang punya lawan kalian. Nah, seperti ini. Kalian berhenti di sini ya, di tempat kalian. Oh, udah habis nih. Wah, tapi di sananya ada banyak shells punya lawan kalian. Nah, kalian ambil. Hap. Oke? Kalian menang. And you are the winner. You put it here. Okay, until there. Do you understand? Oke, tapi kalau misalnya kalian berhenti di salah satu lubang, nah, di yang punya kalian, nah, for example ya, contohnya, nah, aku misalnya berhenti di sini nih, for example, I stop it over here. Nah, this is my row. Ini baris punya aku, ya. Kalian berhenti di sini, you stop it over here. It means you die. Why you die? Kenapa kalian mati di sini? Because there's nothing in front of you. Oke, karena tidak ada kerang di depan kalian. Oke, or if you stop in your enemy row, this is your enemy row. Okay, if you stop the shells in your enemy row, in here or in here, you stop it over here, it means you also lose, ya, or it means you die, ya. Ini artinya kalau kalian berhenti di baris punya lawan kalian, berhenti di sini, habis di sini deh, berarti kalian kalah. Nah, atau misalnya berhenti di sini, kalian kalah. Oke, sampai di situ kalian mengerti kan? Kalian paham bagaimana cara memainkannya? Nah, kalau misalnya kalian paham, kita akan mulai bermain. Oke? Yuk, kita bermain congklak bersama-sama. So, I'm going to play from the first player. Jadi aku akan coba untuk bermain dari pemain yang pertama ya. Oke, this is the row for the first player. Oke, and this is the mountain or the house for the first player. I just call the house ya. Kita sebut aja ini rumahnya. Oke, kita mulai ya. Aku mau mulai dari sini ya. Nah, you can choose whatever you want to take for the first time you play. Okay. I mean, you can choose your own hole. I will choose this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. I bet the win. Aku menang. I'm the winner. Okay. I just put it on my house. I mean inside the house. Oke, aku simpan di rumahku. Sekarang aku tinggal ambil lagi yang lain. Oke, because I'm the winner. Oke, so I can choose the other hole that I want to play. Oke, aku pilih yang mana ya? I will choose this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you stop in your row, but there are still so many cells here, so you can take it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oke, berhenti di sini. Kita ambil lagi karena masih banyak kubuk yang tersedia ya. Nah, terus sampai habis. Wah, kayaknya aku menang terus nih. I think I will be the winner. Never lose. Oke, berhenti di sini ya. Kita ambil lagi. Stop there and then we take it again. Don't forget to put one cell in your house. Okay, stop here. Take it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it again. Wah, ini kapan kalahnya ya? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ambil lagi. Wah, I think I'm gonna be the winner. We don't know. Let's see next. Yay! I get it again. Aku menang lagi nih karena aku berhenti di sini. Ini punya lawan aku ya. I stop it here and this is belong to your enemy. It means you get it. Yes. Put it on your in your house. Oke, kalian boleh ambil lagi yang mana aja ya. You can choose again whatever you want to play. Choose this one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow! I win again. Okay, I will choose this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Eee! I win again. Okay, this one. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. I lose because I stop in my enemy's hole. Oke, aku kalah karena aku berhenti di pemain yang kedua atau lawan aku ya. Jadi aku kalah. Oke. Alright, now I will play for the second player. Aku akan memainkan sebagai pemain yang kedua. Oke, this is for the second player. Oke, the role for the second player. Alright, I will choose this one first. Okay, this is the house for the second player. Okay, I will play it now. Here, and then I will start with this one. You play it clockwise ya. Jadi searah jarum jam. Okay. Remember, this is the second player. And this is the house for the second player. One, 2, 3, and you take it again here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, grab it all. Oh, sorry, 1 already there. 2 in the house. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, take it here. Oke, kita ambil lagi. Wah, sepertinya ini tidak berhenti juga nih. Kita coba ya, dia berhenti. Sorry. Sampai di mana? Uh-oh, lose. Why? Because the second player stopped in the hole belong to the first player. Okay. Now, let's go to the first player again. Kita ke pemain yang pertama lagi ya. Oke. Kita mulai dari mana ya? Dari sini aja. Oke, kemudian aku mau mulai dari yang ini. Oke. Wah, sudah banyak nih shells-nya yang ada di rumahnya. Berarti sepertinya pemain pertama akan jadi pemenang deh. I think the first player will be the winner because look at the shells in the house. More than the shells in the second player. Oke. Yuk, terus berhenti sampai mana ya? Kita lihat. Wah, permainan ini menguras waktu dan pikiran. Ya, kalah deh. Yom lose. Okay, now the second player. Okay, ready? Start from here, go. Ini kita sampai habis ya. We'll do it until finish. I want to know who is the winner, the first player or the second player. Okay. Second player lose. Now first player. Go. Lose. Okay, now second player. Lose. It's in the first player hole. Okay, now the first player. Sorry. Lose. Second player. Lose again. First player. Okay. Oh, lose. Second player. Lose. First player. Oh, lose. Second player now. Who will be the winner? Let's see the trick that you also can find the trick ya if you want to be a winner. Jadi kalian harus menemukan triknya yang paling bagus untuk menjadi pemenang. Oops, sorry. Lose. First player now. Okay. Win. Okay, win again. Win again. Lose. Okay, second player. Main kedua ya. Okay. Win. Put it here. Yeah, from here, right? Going here and then get one. Win. Just only one left. 1, 2. Okay. Lose. Go to the first player. 1, 2. Win. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Lose. Okay, now you can see from here, this is the second player. Just only one left for second player. So just only move it here and it get one, yeah. And look at here, who's the winner? I think you already know from the house, from the cells in the house. Nah, this is belong to the second player. Just only like this, yeah. And this is the shells from the first player. Ini kuwuk atau apa tadi yang dari shells yang dari pemain pertama ya. Ini pemain pertama banyak sekali, jadi dia adalah pemenangnya. So the first player is the winner. Ya, the second player is lose. Pemain kedua kalah. Kenapa? Karena lebih sedikit kuwuk yang ada di rumahnya. Oke. Nah, sampai sini kalian mengerti ya? Kalian paham bagaimana cara memainkan congklak. Nah, itu tadi akhir dari permainan congklak. Jadi, kalian bisa tahu ya siapa pemenangnya dan siapa yang kalah. So, you can see from the games that I played before who is the winner and who's lose. Okay? Nah, jadi goals atau tujuan dari permainan ini adalah the goals from the game is the first, the children, we can get the children taking skill, ya. Jadi kita akan melatih cara berpikir atau the strategic game atau strategi permainan ya dari permainan congklak ini. Jadi gimana cara berpikir anak untuk bagaimana sih cara kita buat menang? Mana dulu yang pertama nih? And then the second, this is for children's problem solving ya, practice children problem solving. Jadi melatih memecahkan masalah ya. Kemudian yang ketiga ada melatih kesabaran dan kejujuran ya. So the third from this game, the goals from this game is train their passion and honesty. Oke, sampai situ kalian paham ya permainan congklak yang ada di Indonesia. You can play the game at home, and the game you can buy it in the store. There are so many store now that sell the traditional game from Indonesia. Jadi ada beberapa permainan tradisional yang sudah dijual di beberapa toko atau swalayan. Iya, terima kasih ya. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye.